Alright, here's Nadex. Quick little drive-by on Nadex, since Exelero dominated the update today. So they have staking, cloud mining, arbitrage, and trading. So many different possibilities with Nadex. I'm about halfway through it right now on this plan of cloud mining. I'm sorry, not cloud mining, arbitrage. Maybe the next one I might just do trading. We'll see. I want to review the plans once this reaches full 45 days, and then go from there in terms of what I do next. But I did it twice on cloud mining, once on arbitrage now, which is what I'm currently in, and we'll see if it goes to the full 45 days, and then I just continue the flow. So with that, let's see here. How much do I have? 81.25. I've been withdrawing in Bitcoin, so I'm just going to do that. 81.25. Alright, and then let me put in the authenticator here. Let's see here. Where is that? 721. Oh shit. Change it now. I gotta do it again. Boom. Alright. And it's been transferred successfully. Cool. So 81.25. And what's great about Nadex is whatever amount you earn in their earning operations, this arbitrage operations that I'm in, or it doesn't matter, you could do cloud mining, staking, arbitrage, trading, whichever one you want to go into. It's all dependent on the terms that you want to apply. So look at staking. You can earn 1 to 1.15. You got 15 to 60 days. It all depends on your commitment, right? Cloud mining, so you're going to earn 1.3 to 1.6 a day, same thing. It all depends on your commitment. You got 30 days to 180 days. Alright, arbitrage, this is the one I'm in right now. 15 days to 60 at 1.8 to 2.1 a day. Alright, then the newest one, trading, 2.3 to 2.9 a day, 30 to 180 days. And you can see here, $100 minimum. So the minimums have gone up on each of these categories as well. So probably the next one I might do is the trading here. Alright. And then when it comes to deposits, let's go back here. Top up, right? Look at all the cryptos you could deposit. Bitcoin all the way to not coin. Right? So many varieties here. Also bank cards, look at all that. This is all Euro. Oh shit, you could do USD now too? Damn. That's new. Because at first it was just ruble, and these other ones here like GB, with Great British Pound, Euros. There's like Kazakhstan, and I don't know what this one, UAH, whatever that one is. And then USDs, those are new because I didn't see USDs before. So you have those, right? And then look at that. And then you pick your plan. See, that's how you top up, right? And then when you do a withdrawal, I just did a withdrawal with you guys. You can withdraw in whatever crypto you want to withdraw in. So I've been doing it in Bitcoin the whole time, because I figured anywhere I could get Bitcoin collected and they offer that, I'm just taking it, If they don't, then I just pull out whatever, is set for. So that's Nadex. And Nadex is a good one too. Alright, very good one. Something that you should seriously check out as well as Exelero. And I forgot to tell you guys, Exelero, right? We went through withdrawals, we went through all that. How you open a deposit, right? You sign up, and look at this. Look how simple this thing is, right? It's either Bitcoin, USDT, or Litecoin. That's it, right? $30 to 30,000. I think they fixed that script. as well, because I noticed I think one of them said 1,000 before, the other one said 30, so I was like, which one's which? But yeah, I think they're set now. They're all corroborating with one another now. 30,000 max, 30 to 30,000, a 3%er. I like it. 333. You know, whereas crypto muscle is right, fake lasers, right. All right, so enough of all that stuff. This is where it's at. All right, and Bitcoin's at 60,000 right now. But yeah, so this is where it's at. Check it out. All right. So what Litecoin's at right now? $60. Okay. Just curious. And so it's very simple, right? Pick one. You break even in 35 days. After that, it's all pure profit. Fast rate of returns, fast withdrawals. I mean, what more can you ask for? Great platform. Still, to me, a little underrated, but at the same time, a dark horse and the cream of the crop. It rose to the top. Alright, so this is where it's at right now. Check it out. Link is in the description. And so is Nadex. Alright, great platforms. Exelero, very, very good. They also have a PDF. If you want to check that out as well, if you want to explore a little more. But yeah, so other than that, I just want to say thank you. Link is in the description. Like I said, subscribe to everything I got. That way we can stay on top of everything we got going on. And happy Sunday. Other than that, I'll see you in the next one.